Graffiti is often recognized as a type of vandalism. It's usually frowned upon in the community due to its derogative words or meanings. But what if those colorful, bright paintings on walls became positive messages? The YMCA's latest project is geared towards exactly that. Honesty, respect, and caring. Those aren't typical words found in graffiti drawings, but the YMCA and the students part of Grafitti Positivo wants to show that this art form can be socially acceptable.
I think we bring a positive message to the youth in our community about doing positive things with graffiti. It can be also positive, it doesn't have to be a negative graffiti. So I hope they get the positive message that if you want to do graffiti, you can do it in a legal way with us, with our project Grafitti Positivo. They can do it as in a positive way. You can bring positive message through the graffiti. It doesn't have to be negative. Yes, you can go and do it illegally and that you can get in trouble with the police, or you can come here at the YMCA, we'll do it together legally, we'll guide you with a graffiti teacher, we'll do it on the right way, in the right way. So yes, I would encourage all the kids out there, the youth especially, to join us and do something positive.
Dorshan Salmon spoke with Natalie Harms, the director of YMCA. She reveals the team went through a petitioning process with the government to acquire the rights to paint on the JFK wall. Before starting on the walls, the students practiced on paper, as well received guidance from teachers regarding the art of graffiti.
Well, they sit together with the graffiti teacher, who is Neil Stockel, and they write it on paper, they draw it on the paper, and they switch ideas on what they want to put on a wall. And together, they decide what they put on the wall.
The magic actually started inside of the YMCA's backyard. Teachers allowed the students to doodle on the walls of the container when they realized a lot of the kids have a talent for this.
I think it started here at this container where it was a dull color, and they decided, hey, we want to paint it, we want to put positive message on it. And then they started to paint and do the graffiti on the containers. And then we saw that a lot of the youth had a lot of potential and they had talent for the art of graffiti. And I think it started there, where we saw potential in them. And YMCA stands for developing the youth. It can be talent, or it can be sports talent. It can be anything, but we try to develop that and help them and guide them in that. So when we saw the potential, we said, okay, let's do it again and see how it goes.
This type of painting is known as the rock and roll of visual arts. Graffiti isn't so bad after all. I am Dorshan Salmon for 15 and 15.
Thank you, Dorshan. What a great movement the YMCA is taking part in.